What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract text from images using Snipping Tool on your PC. Now, as you can see here, I'm in ChatGPT and I was just working on something randomly and I thought, hey, let me just make a quick tutorial showing you guys how to use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply open up the Snipping Tool right here on my computer. It opens up on my second screen. But once you open up the Snipping Tool, all you have to do if you want to extract text from any image is to use a snipping tool to take a picture, right? Now, you have the two options, the one for the video and the one for the camera, which basically allows you to take screenshot. So all you have to do really is to use the snipping tool to take a screenshot, like I'm going to do right here. And once you take the screenshot, you will have the option in the top here that basically allows you to a text action. It's a text action. So you click on that and you will see right away here that it's just to take all the text in the screenshot and you're able to just copy it. So here you have the copy text and you can just simply click on copy all text, or you can just highlight the text that you want, as you can see. But I'm going to just work with the copy all text. Copy all text, and guys, you can paste this wherever you want. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply open up, for example, Word, and just open up a Microsoft Word document, and we will just paste the text there. And so you can see, it opens up on my second screen again. Let me just go ahead and make it maximize here and just open up a blank document there. And yeah, we just paste it, Control V. And guys, there you have it, the text. You might need to make some changes here and remove some stuff if you don't like it, but you can see how easy it is that you can quickly just use Tipping Tool on your Windows PC, take a screenshot and quickly copy the text. It's super easy, guys. So guys, I really hope you found this useful. And if you do, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you appreciate tutorials like this, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out when I release future videos like this one. And of course, give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push it out to more people who will find this tutorial useful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you when I release my next video.